Welcome back. The draft Regional Plan 2021 has come under severe criticism from the locals of Pilen. Citizens Forum from the village have also alleged that Panchayat didn't take their views and members in the panel.
Pilen Citizen Forum had called a press briefing on Saturday in Panji to show their displeasure against the draft plan.
In this respect, we would like to know if this is actually a backdoor entry for all the builders to come with their mega projects in the village at the cost of the villagers' houses, properties, compound walls. Many no development slopes in the draft village plan have been shown as settlement areas.
The government states that while framing Regional Plan 2021, people's participation in villages would be considered. So on Saturday, a Gram Sabha was held in Piler Panchayat to discuss the names of village-level committee members to participate in draft Regional Plan. But Pilen Citizen Forum has alleged that Panchayat had pre-prepared the list of members of committee and their views were not considered.
लोग जे present असले about 100-130 लोक सुमार असले 120 सुमार त्यांच्यानी लोकांनी थोडी नाव प्रपोज केली की यांची नाव कमिटीन घालची म्हणून सो ती नाव ऐकून सुद्धा घेऊन यांच्यानी ते म्हणपाक लागले ग्रामसभा काबार झाली म्हणजे यांच्यानी ग्रामसभा जी घेतलेली ती फक्त वाचपाक लागून नाव कोणाची रेडीमेड त्यांच्यानी लिस्ट तयार केली पळय ती वाचपाक लागूनच ग्रामसभा घेतलेली आणि कमिटी कित्याक लागून काडटा बी कांयच आमकां लोकांक सांगूंक ना.
Our reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kanolkar.
After victory of Congress in Pale election by margin 1,500 votes on Saturday morning, BJP State President Shripad Naik in evening condemned the means and modes used by the Congress to turn victorious in the Pale by-election.
आणि हातून जे काही धांदली आसात म्हणजे पैशाचा वापर असूनी किंवा सरकारी अधिकाऱ्याचे हे खंयतरी बायस वागले असूनी कारण आम्ही जवळ कितलेशे कंप्लेनी इलेक्शन कमिशन आणि थंयचो डेप्युटी इलेक्शन इन्चार्ज कडेन केल्यो पण एकूय हाजी दखल ह्या कोणीच घेवना आणि अशा पद्दतीन हे सगळे वावरल्यात. सरकारी खंयतरी महामंडळाच्यो गाडयो ह्यो डायरेक्ट ह्या प्रचारा भागात आशिल्ल्यो आणि अशे तरेचो सत्तेचो दुरुपयोग करून काँग्रेस हे निवडून आयिल्ली आसा आणि ह्या गोष्टीचो ह्या लोकशाहीन आमी ह्या गोष्टीचो निशेध करतात.
He further cleared the reason behind the BJP's defeat in Pali by-election. He alleged that M factor has again cowed the defeat of BJP.
साधारण या निवडणुकीत भारतीय जनता पक्ष जरी हरलो परंतु ही जी एकत्र आमचो रिबेल उमेदवार जो आसा ताजी आणि आमच्या ही बीजेपीचीच मतां आणि ही मतां एकूण जर टोटल मारली तर 10,000 पेक्षा जास्त जातात आणि काँग्रेसी 7,500 राविल्ली आसा. हो आकड्याचो खेळ जरी खेळान जरी काँग्रेस जिंकली परंतु नैतीक दृष्ट्या काँग्रेसचो हो विजय न्ही हो नैतीक पराभव आसा. आणि त्याच बरोबर गेल्या इलेक्शनात जी काही भारतीय जनता पक्षान मतं मेळिल्लीं ताजे पेक्षा 2 उमेदवार जावन सुद्धा ताजे पेक्षा जवळजवळ 200 पेक्षा जास्त मतां आमी ह्या निवडणुकीत जास्त घेतलेली आसा.
The allegation, counter-allegations are part and parcel of Indian politics. But as truly said by Chief Minister Digambar Kamath after their victory, Jo Jita Wahi Sikandar. Right now at least, strength of Congress is increased and it's difficult to topple them. Our reporter in Panji, Dhananjay Swarnakar.
The wax statue of patron saint Saint Francis Xavier made by Mr. Shriji Bhaskaran at Wax World showroom at Old Goa is becoming a major attraction for people and the tourists. Saint Francis Xavier Feast can be considered as an indirect inspiration for the art.
Savaria.com Message of Love is a Konkani film. After a great success of Antarnad, it's Rajendra Talak's another creation.
People should like the film. I made it through heart, spreading message of love, because love is the thing which you cannot impose on anybody. Neither you can compromise. You should feel it. That's what the message we want to send, and it's very important in today's world. The message of love.
Awards were presented by Chief Minister Digambar Kamath to the team of Antarnad and Savaria.com.
Hoy la celeste
Our reporter from Panji, Danushka Digama and Yashwant Parab.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.